louder than the car beside me. Come on. I'll honk a hallelujah. My honking is a melody. I'll honk a hallelujah. Now I have a dead battery. I'm gonna honk in the parking lot. Louder and louder. You're gonna hear me honk my horn. My honk will arise. Death is defeated. My car is alive. Honk a little louder. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to let you know how incredible you've been. And as we transition, and I want to let the neighbors know if you can hear our voice. I'm sure you can. I know the neighbors that are here today. Thank you for allowing us to be a church in a parking lot. Thank you for allowing us to make a little noise on Sunday morning for an hour. We're so sorry for the inconvenience, right? But ladies and gentlemen, people in the city of Franklin and Southampton County, come on, they need to hear our voice. They need help during this pandemic. They need help during this virus. People are wondering if you're going to go back to schools in the fall. People are wondering if they're going to be able to go back to work. And I'm telling you, man, our faith is what's going to get them through. Our faith is what's going to get them through. And so continue to come on to pray. We've been talking to Chief Patterson, the police department, been talking to the fire chief, and been talking, man, we've been praying for Amanda Jarrett, the city manager. And ladies and gentlemen, Franklin, we're going to make it through this. Do y'all believe that? I mean, we're going to make it through this.